Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this triangle 215/75R 17.5 radial tire in a load range H on this 17.5-inch silver modular design steel trailer wheel with an offset and an 8 on 6.5-inch bolt pattern. Now this tire and wheel assembly is designed for use on heavy-duty trailers. The wheel is a heavy-duty wheel. It is a sturdy steel construction. You can see it has the 8-hole modular design to it. This gives you excellent corrosion resistance, has a silver powder coat finish over an E-coat primer. And this wheel is a hub-piloted wheel, which means this hole right here has a diameter of 4.76 inches, and it'll center exactly on the hub. So when you put this up on your hub, it'll center here, and if you notice, the lug holes have no bevel or chamfer to them, and that's because it's centering on the hub, so it will require the use of the 5/8 inch by 18 size flange nuts to hold it into place. Those flange nuts we do sell separately on our website. They go by a part number of 95188. Now this wheel also has a 1/2 inch positive offset, which means that the tire and wheel is actually going to move towards the trailer frame. And when we talk about offset on a wheel, that's measured from where this mounting part of the wheel is. So when you mount this onto your trailer, when this mounting surface right here on the wheel is right at the center line of the wheel, that's 0, that's the starting point. So 1/2 inch positive will mean it moves towards the front of the wheel, a 1/2 inch. If it went to the back, that would be a negative offset. So this one has a 1/2 inch positive, which in turn again means that the tire and wheel moves toward the trailer frame. The diameter on this wheel is 17.5 inches. The width on just the wheel is 6 3/4 inches. Bolt pattern on this wheel is an 8 on 6.5 inch bolt pattern. And if you want to measure that bolt pattern on a wheel, it's an even number of lugs, in this case 8. It's pretty easy because the lug holes are directly across from each other. So just pick any hole, let's say this one, measure from the center of the first hole to the center of the hole right across from it. On this wheel it'll measure 6.5 inches. So that means it's an 8 lug, 6.5 inch bolt pattern. Weight capacity on just the wheel by itself is 6,005 pounds. Now the tire that's mounted on this is a premium multi-use steer all-position radial tire, and it is constructed with all steel belts to enhance durability, help extend the tread life. The shoulders, if we turn it this way, you can see they're wide shoulders. They promote even wear and better traction. And they used an enhanced casing package that'll help improve toughness and retreadability. The tire size, which is stamped on the sidewall, 215/75R 17.5. The R means it's a radial tire. Section width is going to be 8.3 inches. Overall diameter from the bottom to the top when it's inflated is 30.2 inches. And this tire is a load range H, which means it's a 16-ply rated tire. So this does have a maximum load capacity of 4,805 pounds at 125 psi. And the last thing I want to mention, all the tires now are coming through with a speed rating on them. And the speed rating is stamped on the sidewall, but it's stamped with a letter designation. And where you'll find that is right after the tire size we just went over. You'll see 2 numbers for the load index and then the letter L. Speed rating L will mean that this tire has a 75 mile/hour speed rating. But that should do it for a look at this triangle 215/75R 17.5 radial tire in a load range H, mounted on this 17.5 inch silver modular design steel wheel with the offset and the 8 on 6.5 inch bolt pattern.